Last video we saw how we create a React application using create React app command, and we saw how simple it is. This video will discuss the folder structure of React application. This is the application we have created. The last video. Here we can see there are 3 folders and 3 files. Let's start with the package.json. So package.json file contains some information related to the application, like name. This is the name of application, and the version. This is the version of number of the application. There is a dependency section. This section we mention the required dependencies of application, and here is the script section. And the script section, we can see that there are 4 scripts: start, build, test, eject. So if we use the npm start, this will internally call react script start, and it will start the React application. And here is the readme file. You can add some documentation. And the package log JSON. Package log JSON is automatically generated for any operation where npm modifies either the node modules tree or package JSON. And this is the git ignore file. Mentioned file and folder name in this file will be ignored. Push the remote repository, like here I mentioned the node modules. These node modules will be ignored to push into the remote repository. Here we can see 3 folders, the node modules. Node modules. Under this node modules, we have dependencies required to run this application. This folder is automatically generated. Last time we saw package.json file. Here are the dependencies. When we run the npm install from the terminal, these dependencies are downloaded from online and stored under node modules. Let's open the public folder. Here we can see a couple of files. The first one is favicon icon. This icon is used as a fav icon, and there are other 2 logo, and those are also used as a logo. Those are not related to the React. And this file is the manifest.json, and this file is responsible for progressive UI. Progressive UI is not part of this tutorial. Here is the index.html file. This is the very important file of this application, and this is the only HTML file of React application, as React is a single page application. And this file is responsible for rendering the UI, as React will serve the other view dynamically at this file. And I think there is not much changes required to this file. You can only change the head part of this file, but I think no need to change the body part of this HTML file. You only can concentrate on the div. Concentrate on this div tag. React will use this div to render other components of this application. Let's open the src, and here we can see a couple of files. Index.js is an entry point of React application. Here React read the element, HTML element root. Last time we saw this root div tag inside the index.html. React read this element and rendered app component under this element. And inside the app.js there is JX, that is HTML under JavaScript. Each HTML content is rendered into the web page, and here it is. So if we summarize the folder structure, an React application has an HTML file that is called the index.html, and a root JavaScript file that is called the index.js, and a root component that is named app.js. And the component, inside the component there is a language called JSX. The React uses JSX to build the HTML. In the next video, I will discuss what is JSX and how we can use in a React application. Thanks.